In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Fastapi in VS Code. If you're building modern APIs with Python, FastAPI is a great choice, and setting up your editor correctly makes a big difference. We'll walk through installing the FastAPI extension in Visual Studio Code so you get helpful features like syntax support, code snippets, and a smoother workflow. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Make sure you're in the main editor window. Any folder or project is fine for this step. Next, look to the activity bar on the left side of the window and select the extensions view. It looks like a square icon made of 4 blocks. This is where you can discover, manage, and update all of your VS Code extensions. In the search box at the top of the extensions panel, type the word Fastapi. You don't need to worry about capitalization, and you should see several related results appear. You're looking for the extension dedicated to FastAPI support for Python development. Click the FastAPI entry to open its details page. Here you can read a short description, review features, and check ratings. Taking a moment to confirm you've got the correct extension helps you avoid installing something unrelated. On the details page, click the install button. VS Code will download the extension and, if needed, prompt you to install any required dependencies, such as language support for Python. Just follow the on-screen prompts. The marketplace handles the rest. If a confirmation appears asking you to trust the publisher and install, review the prompt, then choose Trust Publisher and Install to continue. Trusting a publisher tells VS Code that extensions from that source can be installed on your machine. Only proceed when you recognize the source and the extension matches what you search for. Once installation completes, the button will change to indicate it's installed, and you may see options to disable or uninstall. At this point, the extension is ready to use. You can open a Python file, start typing FastAPI snippets, or explore the extension's README for usage tips. Keep in mind that this process installs an editor extension. Installing the FastAPI Python package in your environment is a separate task you can do later. That's it. You've successfully installed the FastAPI extension in VS Code. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building fast, clean APIs with a more productive setup.